Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create the cinematic called blue color grading in CapCut Mobile. So just add your videos into CapCut and first go to filters and find the night scene category and then select the cold blue filter. This one. Okay, after that go to adjust and in here click on the sharpen and increase it to around 50. Click on the HSL and now click on the green color and set the lightness to around 25. Click on the blue color and set the saturation to 30 and then lightness 25. Okay, now you can just go back, click on the highlight and lower it to -40 and then click on shadow and increase it to 10. Okay, you are done. So don't forget to apply it to all of the clip by dragging the coloring like this, and this will be the result. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.